Hi everyone, we are on week 10 this week, so I'm gonna go to Google Classroom, find the classwork tab, go to week 10. Here's what we got going on this week. So if you click on the playlist, you will see this. You need to pass an iReady lesson like you always need to do. You need to read 20 minutes of your book, and you need to do a choice book activity that's here. You will be getting a new set of morphemes. So here are the morphemes that you guys are doing this week. You need to record the information in your notebook where you've already been putting like set 1 and set 2. And again, this lovely side presentation is here to help you. And then you need to study the morphemes. If when you're done studying, you feel like you need to keep studying because you don't understand them, then do that. Because this week, once again, the knowledge or the performance assessment is a knowledge check on your morpheme knowledge. So you can study this as many times as you want. You can study it in a different way. You can write them out again. However you need to do that to be successful, this is your performance assessment for this week, would be on these morphemes. The second thing that you're going to do this week, so morphemes is the first skill, your knowledge of those morphemes. The second skill that you are working on would be argumentative writing, and you're actually working on creating or pulling evidence from a text or from, in this case, a mystery log, and then writing a race paragraph based off that evidence that you found in that article. And this week you have to do 5, 6, and 7. Mystery logs 5, 6, and 7. Your enrichment activities include this Edpuzzle that you can go on and look for biases, because that kind of helps when you like look in here and you see that some of these characters have biases, or some of these teachers like have things that might make them believe a certain way or do a certain thing. For example, like relationships between characters might sway them to cover up for one of their friends or their husband or what have you. So that's what this Edpuzzle is on. It's on biases. And then the second enrichment activity is back to the morphemes. If you guys need more practice on morphemes before you take the performance assessment, then do the vocabulary enrichment for the morpheme set 3, and you can find that on Google Classroom again in week 10, and it's just right here, vocabulary enrichment, morpheme set 3. You can also find the mystery logs right here. You can type right on them. You can literally pull them up, type right on them, do what you need to do for the mystery logs. If you guys have any questions about things that are expected of you for this week, please let me know.